Hi, Joseph with Kilt Beard Company. Today we're going to be talking about beard butter, specifically Kilt's Best Beard Butter. This is our Highland scent, cherry, pine, and birch, very popular. Beard butter, who's it for? Beard butter is for all skin and beard types. But what is beard butter? So our Kilt's Best Beard Butter is a formulation of heavy on the butters with supporting oils to create a moisturizing powerhouse. The three butters being shea nut butter, mango butter, and kupaku butter. Kupaku butter by itself can retain up to 300% its weight in water, which means it pulls the water to the surface of your skin to maintain moisturization throughout the day. So along with jojoba oil, argan oil, and other oils, you have a moisturizing powerhouse, like I said. This is a really good butter to really help that beard itch, that dryness, that flakiness, really coarse beard. Will help you greatly. When should you apply this? Well, I apply this in three different ways, or three different instances. First of all, if I've skipped a day or got too busy and I didn't get any beard product in my beard at any time of the day, the next day I'll put beard butter in. Beard butter kind of just catches me right back up with those fats and the supporting oils. Gets you back on track. Two is when I'm outdoors. I like to stack my oil with my butter outdoors. Hot or cold or somewhere in between. If I'm outside for more than 5 hours at any given time, this is part of my routine. So I typically use beard oil, which is a beard elixir, put it in my skin and beard, then I wait about 5-10 minutes, put some butter in, I'm good to go for the rest of the day. So it really keeps and protects, it creates a barrier between the environment and my face. Third is before I go to sleep. I don't know about you, but I do not drink water while I'm sleeping. So we get quite dehydrated, and being dehydrated, your skin, your beard get dehydrated also. So having beard butter will consistently pull that moisture towards the surface of your skin, maintain that moisturization that we're looking for to keep a healthy beard 24/7. So those are the three instances where I use beard butter. Many people who have extreme beard itch, dryness, flakiness will use it multiple times in the day. So you'll have to work with it, how it works with your skin, beard routine, and your situation. But the benefits from it, creating a highly moisturizing, deep conditioning product, is what we are trying to accomplish with this, and to maintain the ecosystem, protect your beard, your skin, your sebum, pull the water towards the surface so that it's like watering a plant. More water nutrients you get, the better, stronger, more amazing looking it's going to be. Same thing for the beard, same idea what we're trying to go for here. So, Kilt's Best Beard Butter. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on beard butters. We're here to help you look amazing, and like always, defy ordinary, be Kiltaceous.